Old Ethan? No? You're like my dad. He like, I've only seen him wear a jacket maybe 3 times my entire life. Your mom makes you. Just make sure she don't get sick is all. She's worried about you. Hey, Miss Huerta. Okay, so Jackson, when I take out a 3 and an X, what do I have left? X and then plus 4, right? Okay, now look guys, it was equal to 0. So now that I have a 0 and I have a product where they're smushed together, what can I do? Split it. I can cut it, right? Where am I going to cut it? Where? Between what? There you go, between the 2 X's, right here by the parentheses. Okay, so what do I say? What's the first piece? 3x equals 0. What's the other piece? Okay, how do I solve 3x equals 0? What do I do? No. Divide by 3. The one with the x. 0. Very good. Alright, what about this one? What do I do to solve for x? Subtract 4. And what's 0 minus 4? Negative 4. Very good. Subtraction, not division. Alright, same thing on 2 and 3. Find what they have in common. What do they have in common on 8 and 24? 8 have it. Very good. You gotta be careful. They have more than an A.
A and B.
They have more than an A. Okay, no. How many A's are here? How many A's are there? I have $4. You have $5.
We can take 2.
More than 2.
We can take 4.
And then more than 3. 4, right? And B to what power? 7. Very good. You got good? Come on. We're not leaving this until everybody knows how to do it. Let's go. We're going to be on it till May if we have to. We have to know how to do this. Like you did. Hey, what do they have in common? Come on, we're going to do it for days now. What number is that? 8? Maybe we'll get 8 and 5. Okay, what else do they have in common? A and B. Okay, so A to what power is that? To the 4. Very good. B to what power? How much? Not there. This doesn't have 3. One has 2. There you go. You got 6. Alright, what's 8 divided by 8? 1. Alright, how many A's did I have? How many right there? No, how many A's are right here? 1. No. How many did you take out? How many do you have left? No. How many B's do you have right here? How many did you take out? How many do you have left? Plus 24 divided by 8. Okay. How many A's did you have? How many did you take out? How many did you take out? How many? You took out 1? Look out in the front. How many did you take out? How many A's are right here? 8? 8. How many A's? Start right here. How many A's do you have? 5. How many did you take out? How many A's did you take out? Right there, right over. 4. A to the 4. There's 4. How many do you have to start with? How many did you take out? You have left. You have 3. 4? Really? You have $5. I'll take 4. How many do you have? How many? 1. Put in 3. If you have the equal 0, then you do that. Cut. How many did you
No,
I'm not going to write the number one. What are we doing? How many of these do you have? How many did you take out? How many do you have left? Huh? No, put it up. Right on here.
All right, number 2, 8 and 20. Catherine.
This is what we're dealing with right now.
All right, how many, what number goes into 8 and 24? 8, very good. Also, how many A's do they have in common? 4. How many B's? 2. All right, what's 8 divided by 8? 1. How many A's do I have?
No.
Right here. 4. How many did I take out? 4. How many do I have left? None. How many B's do I have? 3. How many did I take out?
2.
How many do I have left? 1. What's 24 divided by 8? 3. How many A's do I have? 5. How many did I take out?
4.
How many do I have left? 1. How many B's do I have?
2.
How many did I take out?
2.
How many's left? None. There you go. Number 3. 6, 18, and 6. What number goes into all 3 of them? 6. The biggest one is 6. Very good. All right, here we go. Do they all have a letter?
No.
No. All right, so what's 6 divided by 6? 1 W squared. Plus, what's 18 divided by 6? 3 W. Minus, what's 6 divided by 6? -1. Y'all okay? Okay, here we go. Given that n is a real number, and n cannot be what number? 2. Okay, so pick a number that's not 2. 3. Okay, here we go. 3 minus 2. And then what's on the bottom? 2 minus 3. What's 3 minus 2? 1. What's 2 minus 3? What's 1 divided by -1? No, it's not. -1. What's my answer? B. Oh, that shouldn't be there. I don't know why that's there.
So if you plug in any value, it will still...
As long as it's not 2. Yes. Any number.
Even a negative number or negative number?
Oh, it has to be a real number.
Oh.
Like numbers that you would count by.
Okay.
All right, here we go. You ready? What is the value of the exponent? What is an exponent? That's this little number, right? The number up there? Okay, so when we divide the bases, what do I do to 12 and 2? Subtract. Very good. So what's 12 minus 2? 10. What's my answer? D. Okay, you ready? You remember the test that we've taken on the computers? Right? One person remembers? 2 people remembers? Remember the test? Okay. What was your percent on the first one? 6%. What was our percent on the second one?
At this time, can we have
All right.
Scholars Bowl and anime to the gym for club pictures? Scholars Bowl and anime. Thank you.
Okay, what does this test mean? What does it measure? It means that after high school, what are you going to do after high school?
Work before and go to
Work and go to college, right? So this means that only 5% of us are ready to go to college of 10th grade. Does that make sense? That only 5% of us? Y'all okay? So are we ready to go to college yet?
No.
Are we going to be on the next one? Yes, we're going to do better, right? You got it good? So listen to me. If your score goes up, so we're at a 5%, right? If it goes up, we're gonna do a pizza party. Did you get it good?
Yes.
But your score has to go up.
What if it goes up to 6%?
It better go up a good bit. At least 5%. I tell you what, if it goes up 5%, I'll give you a pizza party. Gotta go up 5%. You can do it. All you gotta do is double the ones you're getting right. Y'all okay? That makes sense? So, how are we preparing? What is getting us ready? What have we been doing every day? Bell ringers are getting us ready, right? Do you remember seeing problems like this, maybe? Hopefully you remember seeing problems like that. Okay, alright, so let's get that paper from yesterday. Get that paper from yesterday. We got to get ready to go to college. If you're not going to college, we got to get ready to have some thinking skills when we go to work. Because nobody wants a worker that can't think, right? No. You still got to think about where you're going to sleep. You still got to think about how you're going to get warm for when it's cold. You got to think about that. Got your paper from yesterday? All right, so what are we pushing for? We're pushing for our score to go up how much? How many percent? 5, okay? And then we're going to get a what?
A pizza
Pizza party. What kind of pizza y'all like?
with pineapple.
Ooh, a pineapple? My husband likes that one. I don't like that one. We'll see. We'll have to get what's cheap. Might have to just get some cheese and pepperoni because I'm broke. And I'll be the one paying for it. Y'all okay? Okay, here we go. What number does it have to equal? We don't want 27. What number do we want?
20.
Look back on your bell ringer. What number is it supposed to equal?
27.
No.
0.
Look back on your bell ringer. Look at number 1. What number is it supposed to equal? 0. I know, but I needed them to all say it. All right, here we go. So, if you have $27, what do you need to do to have $0? You need to subtract it, right? Here we go. Okay. You cannot do 6 minus 27. Why? Because that does not say 6. What does that say? 6x. Okay, so which one comes first? The x squared. Very good, Kelvin. Which one comes next? Plus 6. What? X. Then what comes next? Negative 27. Now, what's it equal? 0.
Wait, I thought it was. We have to find that.
We are. Now we are.
Oh.
Ready? Remember from yesterday? How many numbers are there? How many terms are there?
5.
Let Coach in. No. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, here we go. What's the numbers that go into 27?
3.
No, start with 1. 1 and? Does 2 go?
No.
Does 3 go? 3 and? 9. Does 4 go?
No.
5?
No.
6?
Yes. No.
No. 7?
Yes.
No. 8?
No.
No. And I already have 9. Okay, here we go. Which one adds or subtracts to be 6? 9 minus 3. Very good. Okay, x. What kind of 9 is this?
Negative.
No, that's a positive 9. What kind of 3 is that? Negative 3. Very good. Now, because it equals 0, what can we do? Come on, we just did it. What can we do because it equals 0? Cut it. Cut it. Right where? Where are we going to cut it?
In the middle.
In the middle, right here. Okay, so what's the first piece?
X plus.
9 equals 0. And then, what's the second piece?
X minus 3
Negative 3
equals
equals
X.
Okay, what do I do?
Subtract.
Uh-huh.
At this time, can I have International Thespian Honor Society to the gym to take club pictures? International Thespian Honor Society. Thank you.
All right, what's 0 minus 9?
9.
Negative 9. There you go. What about this one?
Plus 3.
Okay, what's x equals? 3. Very good. All right, let's do one more, then we're going to do the rest on our own. You ready? Okay. What number is it supposed to equal? 0. How, if you have $70, how do you make that be 0?
Subtract.
Subtract it, right? You got to give all your money away. All right, which one do I write first?
7.
No. Z squared.
Oh.
Then what's next?
Plus
Negative 3z. Then what comes last? What kind of 70? No. Negative 70. What's it equal? What's 70 minus 70? 0. Very good. All right, here we go. You ready? What's the back number? 70. Who are we going to be here in a minute? You ready? 1 and what gives me 70? 70. 2 and what gives me 70?
35.
35. Does 3 go?
No.
Have you used your calculator?
7 goes.
Does 4? You got to go in order. Does 4 go?
No.
No. Does 5 go?
Yeah.
Yes. 5 and what?
12.
Use your calculator. Which one?
14.
14. Very good. Does 6 go?
No.
Does 7 go?
Yes.
Yes. 7 and what? 10. Does 8 go?
No.
Does 9 go? No. And I already have 10. Here we go. Which one gives me negative 3? How much, Ethan? 7 minus 10. Very good. All right, what kind of 7 is this? 7. That's a positive 7. What kind of 10 is this? Negative. All right, here we go. Because it's equal to 0, what can I do? Cut it right down the middle, right? So z plus 7 equals 0.
Is it always going to be there?
If it's equal to 0, yes. Yes, it has to be equal to 0. Always. All right, what do I do for this one? Subtract 7. So what is 0 minus 7? Negative 7. You have $0 and you owe somebody $7. You're $7 in the hole. All right, what do I do on this one? Add. What's 0 plus 10? 10. Okay, we have 4 problems left. You okay? All right. Start on number 3. Okay. So let's see. Who did number 3? Jackson, did you do number 3? No, who did number 3? Okay. Corbin did number 3. Did y'all check your answers? Negative 6 and 3? Did you get that? Calvin, you check them? Where's your paper? Roberto? Are you checking them? All right, what's that say? 4 and 6. Check your answers on 4. 2 and 12 are not your answers because 2 and 12 would not give you the positive 24 that you need, okay? It has to be 4 and 6. Negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24. Y'all okay? You checking your answers? Keep it out so you can check it. We got 5 and 6. Katie, do you want to come do number 5 for me, please, dear? Okay, Katie just did number 5. Did y'all get 12 and 4? 12 and 4? Are you checking your answers? Alfredo, did you get 12 and 4? Okay, we got one more left.
Have a good day.
You too.